Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cybersecurity with F5 networks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your organization's cybersecurity requirements. Identify the critical assets that need protection. Evaluate potential threats and vulnerabilities within your network. Next, ensure you have the necessary F5 licenses and software. Download the latest version of the F5 software from the official website. Install the F5 software according to your organization's deployment plan. Access the F5 Management Console through your web browser. Log in with your administrative credentials. Navigate to the Security tab to begin configuring your security settings. Set up the Application Security Manager by selecting the desired application. Define the security policies according to the specific needs of the application. Incorporate advanced threat protection features such as Web Application Firewall. Customize SSL offloading settings to enhance performance and security. Configure access policies to manage user authentication processes. Establish bot protection measures to mitigate automated attacks. Audit your current configurations to ensure compliance with cybersecurity standards. Test the deployed security settings in a controlled environment. Simulate potential attack scenarios to evaluate the system's response. Monitor real-time traffic and alerts through the F5 dashboard. Adjust security settings based on the test results and ongoing threat intelligence. Train your IT staff on the management and operation of F5 security tools. Document the deployment process and security policies for future reference. Regularly review and update your security measures as new threats emerge. Maintain a routine for software updates and patches to keep the system secure. Engage with F5's community support or professional services for ongoing assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.